In this video, I'll demonstrate an example of solving a quadratic equation. We have the equation negative 3x times the quantity x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 32. To solve a quadratic equation, we first want to write the equation in standard form, which means we need to distribute on the left and get one side equal to 0. Distributing on the left, we get negative 3x squared plus 12x is equal to 2x minus 32. To get one side equal to 0, we will subtract 2x from each side and then add 32 to each side. So we get the equation negative 3x squared plus 10x plus 32 is equal to 0. To solve the equation, we want to write the leading coefficient, where this negative 3 is a positive 3, so we can do that by multiplying the equation through by negative 1. And we get the equivalent equation 3x squared minus 10x minus 32 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this equation by factoring. And to solve it by factoring, I'm going to factor the 3x squared as just 3x and x. And now I need the factors of 32 so that I can arrange in these two binomials to get a middle term of negative 10x. So if you think about the factors of 32, you have 1 and 32, 2 and 16, and 4 and 8. To get this 10, I'm going to think about putting in the 2 in the right binomial and the 16 in the first one, because I notice that when I multiply the 3 by 2, I get 6, and then the middle 16 times x is 16x, so I can get 10 from that by subtracting. And we know that the signs have to be different because of the last sign being negative, and then the larger product of the outer and inner is going to be negative. And so to get the 16x negative, I'm going to have a negative on the 16 and a plus on the 2. Then we set each of those factors equal to 0, so we have 3x minus 16 equals 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving these equations, 3x is equal to 16, or x is 16 thirds. X plus 2 equals 0. By subtracting 2, we get x is equal to negative 2. So the solution set of this equation is a set containing negative 2 and 16 thirds.